Hello ladies and gentlebeards. We're going to check out a mystery box from Opies. You can get these at opiesbeardco.com and the box will cost you £50. I would assume each box is going to be different. I suppose it's what he's got available at the time, but this one's mine. Opies Beardco box. So let's have a look. It comes sealed up. Let's take a look inside. He always leaves a little message there, and this one says, "Hi Carl, thank you for the order. We hope you enjoy the mystery box. Cheers, Jamie." Cheers, Jamie. So inside the box, we've got an information sheet on Opies beard and moustache competition that they have. The next one will be 2023. So there's a bit of information on that. A nice little card about joining this Facebook community, Bearded Clubhouse. I'm a member, go and check it out. Right, and this is what we're all about now. These are the products. Now you can see for £50, we've got a few things in there. Let's take a look at each one individually. Well, there's two beard oils. They're both 30ml oils. The first one is Greedy Men. There we go. Now this bottle alone will cost you £16.99. I mean, I know Jamie's a friend of mine, but we've got to work out, is this £50 box worth it? Maybe I'll have to do a review on this and give you my opinion on it at a later date. At the moment, we're just going to go through the box. Now the second one, I do like this one. This is a special scent that I released for the Opies Beard and Moustache Competition 2022 this year. Now the blurb on this one says it gives a fruity uplifting scent with a bit of a punch. Also, I noticed inside the box you get it's a brilliant sticker. This kind of the logo from the events. Beard and Moustache Championships, Opies Beardco. So that's a cracking little sticker there. I do like that. Okay, we've had two oils from the premium range. We've also got two premium range balms. No, sorry, my correction. One premium range balm and one butter. So the balm is the Barista. Obviously from the name of that, we're going to say that's a coffee scented one. I'm a team tea guy, as a lot of you know, if you know me. So this is not my kind of cup of tea really. Boom. Pun not intended. I'm not really into the coffee scent. But, you know, £16.99 if you are. Another one to try out. And the butter, this is Greedy Men. Good, so this matches the oil that we've got, the original oil I opened. Now I do like these butters. They're a nice whipped butter. Same scent as the oil. Can talk about that at a later date. If you would like to, let me know in the comments. Also, if you tried their products, if you tried Opies products, let me know. And what's your opinion on coffee as well? Do you like the coffee scents? If you do, put team coffee. If not, like me, put team tea in the comments. And the butter is also £16.99. Just notice there's a nice little sticker there as well. So if you're sticker crazy like I am, now another good sticker. That's two stickers. One more item after this one. But also we've got this, and this is the icing on the cake for me. Nettle and charcoal beard soap. This is patchouli and bergamot scented. That's a nice chunky block, you can see. I've done a review on his Opies beard soaps. Go and check them out. Yes, nice, fresh scented. A lot better for your skin, not just for your beard. For your skin than regular soap. They're not as harsh. So that's a nice one to have. £10.99 for this. And last but not least, we have another beard balm, this time in a tin. And this one is the Fruit Gum beard balm. The Fruit Gum is from the classic range of products that it has. And this will cost you £8.99. And this is a slide tin. You see the balm in there. Nice little product to use. Yep, that's it in the box. So, is a mystery box worth the buy? Now, just mathematicalising them all when it comes up. If you just had the £16.99s for the premium oil, butter and the balm, and then the £8.99 was it for the original gum, that comes in at £59.96. So you've already got a saving there. But don't forget, we've got to add more yet. We've got the soap, which comes in at £10.99. That equals £70.95. Now we've still got to add to that the beard oil that was produced for especially for the beard competition this year that he had. And even though that was reduced to £8.99, personally think that was one of my favourite oils. So I'm happy I got that. But adding that to the total, that comes in at £79.94, plus cool little stickers. So for a £50 purchase, you're getting all this, £79.84, £80 worth of kit for 50 quid. Alright, this balm's not sort of my favourite, being a coffee scented one. I suppose them's the gambles you take, them's the chances. But overall, I'm really happy with that. Take off the coffee, let's take off the coffee. Even if we take off the coffee scent that I don't like, I'll probably do a giveaway, maybe at one time. If you'd like a giveaway, let me know. Say giveaway, we'll try and sort one out. That's still an over £12 saving, but you can't realistically remove that, because, you know, a lot of people would like all them scents. I'm just fussing with the coffee ones. So I've still got it, you still sent it me, and it's a cracking deal. If you don't know what to try, or if you've tried them all and don't know what to get next, maybe give the mystery box a go. See what you get. Let me know. Don't forget to give us a boop on the like, hit the bell icon, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all later. Toodles!